GIGABYTE TRX50 AERO D review, real Threadripper performance and USB4 connectivity actually tested. 3 in the morning, your render is still running at 62%? You watch the progress bar crawl forward while your deadline looms just 6 hours away. I have been there staring at that exact screen, feeling completely helpless. Your current motherboard bottlenecks everything, no matter how powerful your processor claims to be. The frustration cuts deep. Ever wondered if your platform is actually holding you back? Those missed client deliveries pile up quietly. The weight presses against your chest every time another project runs late. Hours evaporate as you watch transfers crawl across outdated network connections. Your fingers tense over the keyboard, burnout creeping closer with each failed render. That grinding sensation in your stomach returns when an export fails again. Relief feels impossible. But there is a real path toward reclaiming control and finding clarity without the chaos. Do not just pick any workstation motherboard. Choose one with a true 16-phase digital VRM and proper power delivery, so you never experience thermal throttling during critical rendering sessions again. The GIGABYTE TRX50 AERO D transforms everything through the AMD STR5 socket, supporting Threadripper Pro processors with up to 96 cores of pure computational muscle. Dual USB4 connectivity pushes 40 gigabits per second for lightning-fast external storage workflows. The quad-channel DDR5 architecture handles up to 1 terabyte of memory, enabling massive simulations without compromise. Last month, an architectural visualization artist faced a nightmare deadline when complex ray tracing renders kept crashing. He migrated to this platform. The project was completed 12 hours early. The Marvell 10 gigabit Ethernet plus 2.5 gigabit Ethernet dual LAN setup means transferring 100 gigabyte project files happens during coffee breaks instead of lunch breaks. The Easy Latch system eliminates tiny screws, making M.2 installation genuinely effortless. Here is what changes everything. 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots with dedicated thermal guards completely prevent throttling during sustained transfers. The efficiency transformation becomes permanent once your system runs on this foundation. Applications launch instantly because PCIe 5.0 storage delivers reads exceeding 14,000 megabytes per second consistently. One hardware analyst from MUI Computer noted the VRM cooling solution featuring an 8mm heat pipe delivers surface area 4 times larger than traditional designs, keeping temperatures stable under sustained Threadripper loads. A solutions architect mentioned the Marvell 10 gigabit Ethernet remains rock solid when connecting workstation clusters for collaborative rendering farms. Industry reviewers consistently highlight how dual USB 4 ports enable daisy-chaining multiple 8K displays while simultaneously transferring footage at full bandwidth. Real users report the 1 terabyte DDR5 capacity transforms memory-intensive computational fluid dynamics simulations from impossible to routine. From my perspective, the screwless EZ latch design genuinely simplifies maintenance compared to fumbling with tiny M.2 screws. Yes, this platform requires investment. That is reality. But here is what matters most. The performance ceiling disappears when your foundation supports it properly. The Q-Flash Plus feature saves genuine troubleshooting headaches. Which connectivity feature would revolutionize your workflow immediately? CLI rendering professionals refuse to build without proper VRM thermal management now. Results speak louder. This motherboard genuinely delivers on workstation-class promises for creators and engineers who demand uncompromising performance without thermal limitations. Join the growing number of professionals experiencing faster render completions and smoother multi-GPU workflows every day. Results may vary based on specific workload configurations and component pairings. Worth serious consideration, the combination of power delivery engineering, connectivity options, thermal management, and build quality creates something exceptional in the TRX50 category. Ready to experience the difference yourself? Check the link below and discover what the GIGABYTE TRX50 AERO D enables today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.